tears in my stomach. So happy. That looks stunning. Stunning.
That's the kayak, by the way. It works.
What a morning.
It's sunny.
Oh my god, mate.
The water's not so nice, but
I think you're brave, like.
I don't know if I'm brave enough.
Go on, do it. So clear. Look at it out here. I'm in my element. God, this is sea. Lovely boat this. That's Dunstanburgh Castle there. And there you've got a glorious Beadnell Bay. Oh my god. Stunning. I'm a bit in love. Just going to watch the drift. I'm already changing the battery. Bloody GoPro, man, honestly. I used to think they were good. Not so much fun anymore. The Osmo lasts so much longer, and I'm not trying to play competition with them in anything because I've got both. I'm just saying the battery life's better on the Osmo Action, that's all. Doesn't have the overheating issue either. Anywho, I have been out for a couple of hours now to no avail. To Newer Vale. So I'm going to go close over there and I'm going to just drift back and then call it a day because I'm knackered. Tide's gone out and you literally, honestly, you could drift so fast around here. It's great, but it's also hard work to keep getting back and dredging back and whatnot. So I've come with limited gear. Real first try out of the season for me in the water, in the sea anyway. I'm so happy to be back in it. Next time I'll bring some live bait as well, I think. Get a bit further out. But oh, what a first day back. Absolutely chuffed of it. So I'm going to paddle for about 20 minutes that way. Drift back, try to keep close to the shore, just have a little bit of play with the rod, see what I get. If I don't, hey ho. Fish one, Stevie no. It's just starting to change a little bit the weather, but it's been beautiful. Probably 3 hours. Keeps you fit. And here's the rain. I'm in love with this place. I think Beadnell Bay is my favourite beach. What a place. Back to the van. And then the Craster for some kippers and some crab. Craster kippers, best in the planet. Ages since I've done it. Ages. Shetland Islands, the airport there, tiny little one, Scatster. Hello and welcome to Scatster. That's what I used to say. No parking beyond this one. Hello. Kippers, and look at the weather change. Perfect this for me. That's an early bird catches a worm. That's why I got up at silly o'clock. Quite impressed with that windy app, that's for sure. So Cresta Kippers seems to be the one I go to. I don't know if there's another one anywhere, but I always go to this one here, just past this van on the left. Opposite the Jolly Fisherman, so in there. I ain't going to pay for park and walk all the way down just for a minute. So just drive in that road there and just park. I've fished off the rocks there once before. Come on! I got caught in this and all, wouldn't I, if I walked down? Onward! Boom! Those all the gear down with fresh water. There you go. Here there's like a little tiny lay-by. I've seen vans parked here before. I wouldn't fancy it myself. Next 6 miles, jump on the A1 then, we'll go the coast way. Coast. It's got to be. Didn't stop us getting kippers though, just because I didn't catch fish, but for me, I have to cook them outside in the rain. Stinks the house out.